No. Él les va a demostrar a ustedes que él puede salvar el Rubik's Cube 2x2. Okay, guys, ¿están listos?
Yeah, because my friend, he said that I needed to solve, that you're supposed to solve it completely, so I'm gonna solve it completely. Okay, Rizzo, can you go over here, please? Please.
Dale, Riro, estás bien, Riro. Mami, le vamos a enseñar a ver.
We're not gonna show your face, we're gonna show this. Okay. I'm gonna mix it up.
Estamos chupando un candy.
I was eating candy too.
I got this top layer solved, and now I got this side solved.
Guys, I just want to tell you something. My brother is really good at solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Oh,
and
yeah.
The 2x2.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh yeah, I did solve it.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
If you
It has a
want
scratch, okay?
if you
So it's
want to
fine.
learn how to do it, just tell us so we can show you. It's going to be really good.
Vamos, Tito, vamos a ver en cuánto tiempo lo salvas. Oh, you got it? Wow! Oh, wow, Rito.
See?
You're the best, Rito. I know you're the best.
See, what did I tell you? What did I tell you?
I don't have any another Rubik's Cube, see? I don't have.
Ajá.
I need these two, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Ok, guys, espero que les haya gustado el video, muchachos, que estén bien. Charlamos luego, hasta la vista, se nos
If you
falta
guys
bien,
want to
guys.
learn, please remember, tell us on the comments below.
I did it like in 2 minutes.
Ajá. Guys, gracias por ver nuestros videos. Gracias por los likes que
No,
nos dan
no.
también. Gracias por suscribirse a nuestro canal, guys.
Guys,
Thank you very much, guys, for...
Yeah, 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 yeah,
guys,
yeah,
you want to
yeah,
see
yeah.
trigger pattern?
Okay, check it first. A ver, enseña, Rito. Rachel.
Look. Checker pattern.
Oh, nice, Rito.
Now I'm gonna put it back.
Thumbs up for this video.
Yeah! Okay,
Give
guys!
us, give us 1,100,000 likes at this.
Yes, guys, yes. Okay, guys, we see you. Bye!
Bye.